to Emerald Creeper. You are welcome to the Animal Supreme. All my animals are right here from the wild except one. Your puny mind will love this coolness and supreme cuteness of the furry ball of cuteness. Can't stop. What the heck? Okay, number one. The lizard, please, my substitute. Ben, give me the lizard. You hold
Is a lizard in its natural habitat?
You see him? You see him? You see him right there? See him? Say
They can see him all right.
See him?
Yeah.
See him?
Yeah. I'm a dancer.
See
I'm a dancer.
Right there.
I can dance.
Right there. Right there. See him? Right there. Oh. Here goes number one.
Number one. That was.
Not the bathroom number one. Number one animal. Don't get mixed up.
What do you want?
Number three, please.
I'm OCD, so I'm giving you number two.
Okay. Number two. The frogs. Should I say it? The Frog City Palooza. I have no idea why I said that. Get one. Get a frog.
Oh. Let's crush one.
We have one right here. May I present you a baby frog?
In its natural habitat?
See my little baby frog?
No, they can't see it.
Yeah, they can. See him?
There he is.
See him?
Okay. Back in the habitat.
Get in. Okay.
Number three.
On to number three. XC
Okay,
Mr. Caterpillar. See him?
Okay. One
See
of
him?
them is right there. Another one is right there. Right there. Okay. So they have a little habitat. We can see through here. There's a little magnifying glass, and what we see is they're going up to the top, and they're probably gonna make
Chrysalises, pupas in the morning.
So
Now, number four, the cutesy, fluffy snowball of laughter. The Bun Bun has arrived. The Mr.
Rabbit
Cutesy.
Stew.
What? Don't listen to him. Bun Bun is a well-formed part of my family.
Yeah.
And he is my pet.
We wouldn't want any of them to die.
Stop! So today I am showing you Bun Bun because this is an animal spirit. What the heck? Animal spirit thing. Bun Bun, say hello.
Oh my gosh, I found a fifth animal. Curious
George.
George.
Okay, George is not in that. That was stuffed animals.
I found a spider, guys.
Get out! Okay, that's done. Let's take care of Bun Bun. Bun Bun, what is your favorite thing to do?
Hi, otters.
Get out!
Have you ever thought of what you should call your fans? I mean, the fans that you don't have.
Okay.
I'm just kidding.
Hello.
I'm just kidding.
Okay, Bun Bun, dance for us. Dun, 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 dun. Now watch me whip. Now watch me nay nay. Now watch me whip, whip. Now watch me nay nay. Bun Bun, look at the camera. Say hi, Bun Bun. No, Bun Bun. What you want to step on? Oh. What just happened? No. Okay, sorry. You're pushing me off the seat. Bun Bun, back in your cage.
Okay, let's just... A bunch of bunnies were harmed in this video.
Okay. Say bye-bye, everybody. Bye. Now Bun Bun wants to share something.
Bun wants to say bye. 1, 2, 3, bye.